Good morning, children. Is everyone ready for today's class? Very good. As we completed lesson 8, today we are going to start new lesson. You all are already learned about MS Word, MS PowerPoint, that is Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. By using Microsoft Word, we can create documents like stories, poems, essays, letters, notes and many other documents. After typing these documents, you can make some changes on the document by using a MS Word. Similarly, MS PowerPoint, that is Microsoft PowerPoint, is a presentation software. It is most common and user-friendly software used for creating a presentation. Presentation is created in the form of a series of slides in which text, images and sound can be added. As we discussed, MS Word is for using word process and MS PowerPoint is for creating presentation. If you want to do calculation or computing, which software you can use? For example, you need to make a report by using income and expense of your home. How do you create? Which application you will use for doing these calculations? Come on, let's see which application we can use for this calculations and how to use that application. So, today our aim is learn about Microsoft Excel. Today's topic is Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2010. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel 2010 and how to use Microsoft Excel 2010. These are some keywords we are going to use in today's class. Cell, row, column, worksheet, workbook, cell pointer and cell address. Come on, let's learn the meaning of these keywords. Cell. This is a basic unit of a worksheet. It is an intersection of a row and a column. Row. Row means horizontal arrangement of cells. Cells are arranged in horizontal direction. Column. It is a vertical arrangement of cells. That means cells arranged in the vertical direction. Next, worksheet. Worksheet is the working area made up of rows and columns. Next, workbook. It is a collection of multiple worksheets. Next, cell pointer. A cell pointer is a highlighted cell boundary. It shows which cell is active at the moment. Next, cell address. It is an identification name of a cell. A cell can be identified by the column letter and the row number. I hope you all are clear with the meaning of these keywords. Next is question of the day. So today's question is, how do you start Microsoft Excel 2010? I repeat the question. How do you start Microsoft Excel 2010? Answer this question in the online exam section on your school app. Shall we move on to today's topic? Come on. First, what is Microsoft Excel? As we discussed already, you learned word processing software and presentation software already. Word processing software is used to creating and editing the documents. And the presentation software is used to creating a presentation by using slides. Similarly, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software. It is also a component of MS Office. That means Microsoft Office. Microsoft Excel is used for calculations. You can store, organize, manipulate and analyze the data in rows and columns. You can do many mathematical calculations on data using formulas, from simple to complex mathematical calculations on MS Excel. You can also represent the data in charts and diagrams. Next, how do you start Microsoft Excel 2010? If you want to use Microsoft Excel, you need to start it first, right? So, how do you start Microsoft Excel? Okay, come on, let's see. To start Microsoft Excel 2010, first you need to click on Start button. After clicking Start button, you need to click All Programs. After that, you need to select Microsoft Office folder. In the Microsoft Office folder, all the components of Microsoft Office will be displayed. From that, you need to click on the Microsoft Excel 2010 option. When you click on the Microsoft Excel 2010 option, it will open the Microsoft Excel window named as Book 1. These are the steps to start the Microsoft Excel 2010. Next, what are the parts of the Microsoft Excel 2010 window? Let's see the parts of the Excel window. This is the MS Excel window named Book 1. One document of Microsoft Excel is called as Workbook. It is a collection of worksheets. Come on, let's see the parts of Microsoft Excel 2010 window. First one, Quick Access Toolbar. By using this toolbar, you can quickly access to the commands that you use often. In Excel, by default, it has save, undo and redo commands. You can add more commands of your choice. Next, Title Bar. It displays the name of the workbook in which you are currently working. In the right side of the title bar, it has Minimize, Restore or Maximize and Close buttons. Next, Worksheet. The worksheet is a single page in Excel. Here you can write, edit and manipulate data. Worksheet is made up of rows and columns. Next, Workbook. It is a collection of multiple worksheets, so it is called a complete book. When you save the Excel, actually you are saving the workbook. Next, Worksheet Tabs. In a workbook, there are many worksheets. By default, an Excel workbook contains 3 worksheets named as Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. You can add more worksheets by clicking on the Add Worksheet icon near the Sheet 3 tab. Next, Ribbon. The ribbon consists of various commands to perform various actions like formatting, editing, sorting. The ribbon contains various menus like File menu, Home menu, Insert, Page layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View menu. These all are called as tabs. Each tab contains various commands. Some groups have a small arrow at the bottom right corner. This is called as dialog box launcher. When you clicking on the dialog box launcher, you will get the dialog box of the respective group. Next, rows. As we discussed already, rows are an arrangement of cells in the horizontal direction. Each and every rows can be identified by using a number. Totally, there are 10,48,576 rows in Excel 2010. It starts from 1 to 10,48,576. Next, columns. Columns are arrangement of cells in the vertical direction. It is identified by a letter. The columns are labeled as A, B, C. There are totally 16,384 columns in Excel 2010. Starts from A to XFD. Next, cell. Cell is the basic unit of a worksheet. It is the intersection of a row and a column. Next, cell address. Each and every cell in a worksheet is identified by using the address. It corresponds to the column letter and the row number. For example, the first cell of the worksheet is called as A1. That means the column letter A and the row number is 1. So, the first cell of the worksheet is called A1. Cell address is also known as cell reference. Next, cell pointer. Cell pointer indicates which cell is active at the moment. A cell pointer is a highlighted cell boundary. Next, name box. The name box displays the cell address of the current cell or selected cells. Next, formula bar. Formula bar is used to display the contents of the current cell, and also it displays the formula that used in that selected cell. The formula bar contains two buttons, that is enter button and cancel button. The enter button works like the enter key on the keyboard, and the cancel button works like the escape key on the keyboard. It is used to cancel the data entry, and the enter button is used to accept the data entry. Next, range of cells. Range of cells means it's a group of cells that adjacent to each other forming a rectangular shape. Next, scroll bars. The scroll bars appears only if you have data more than the screen can display at once. There are two scroll bars in Excel, vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar on the right and the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom of your Excel window. Next is status bar. The status bar displays worksheet view options and the zoom controller. These are the worksheet view options, and this is the zoom slider. In view options, there are three views: normal view, page layout view and page break view. Normal view is the default view of a worksheet. It will show all the rows and columns. In page layout, it is divided into pages. Next, page break view. It shows only the pages that has contents. You can adjust the page breaks to increase or decrease the number of pages will hold your data. Next, zoom control. You can zoom in and zoom out the worksheet by dragging the slider left or right. These all are the parts of MS Excel window. I repeat all the parts of MS Excel window again. Quick access toolbar, title bar, workbook, worksheet, ribbon, row, column, cell, cell address, name box, formula bar, cell pointer, range of cells, worksheet tabs, scroll bar, status bar, and finally worksheet view options and zoom slider. Next, how many types of data can be entered in Excel? You can enter three types of data in it. They are numbers, text, formulas. First, numbers. It contains numerals like 0 to 9 and characters like mathematical symbols like plus, minus, and dollar symbol, percentage symbol, and at symbol, etc. These all are included in numeric data. It is used in calculations. Default alignment of numbers data type is right align in a cell. Next, text data type. It contains numbers, letters, and special characters like and exclamatory symbol. It is not used in calculations. The default alignment of text data type is left aligned in a cell. Next, formulas. It includes number values, operators, and cell addresses. It is a mathematical equation. Each and every formula begins with an equal sign. Now, today's class has been completed. I hope you all are clear with these topics. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Next, homework. So today's homework is first question. What is the difference between a worksheet and a workbook? What is the difference between a worksheet and a workbook? Second question. Name the different types of data that can be entered in Excel. I repeat the question. Name the different types of data that can be entered in Excel. Next, exercises A and B at page number 97 in the book. You need to do first 2 questions in your notebook and the exercises in the book. Next, an open question to answer in the comment section. The question is, list some uses of Excel. List some uses of Excel. You need to answer this question in the comment section. Do your homeworks regularly. Don't keep pending work. It is a big burden to you. And don't forget to get signed from your parents in the planner. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. God bless you.